What if one network could serve multiple mobile operators inside a stadium or airport? That's exactly what a 5G neutral host does. Let's break it down. A neutral host is a shared 5G infrastructure where one third party builds and operates the network, and multiple carriers connect to it that reduces duplication and boosting efficiency. The unique characteristics of neutral host include one physical network for all carriers, seamless multi-operator support, cost-effective and fast to deploy, and supports indoor and outdoor environments. Neutral host use cases include airports and stadiums, where it is too expensive for every carrier to build their own network, and that is where neutral host comes to save cost. Neutral host is effective for smart buildings where property owners can provide better indoor 5G to tenants, regardless of their carrier. Shared infrastructure through neutral host makes 5G rollout economically feasible for rural areas. But neutral host is not the right choice for certain connectivity scenarios. High-demand urban cores may need dedicated capacity per operator, for which neutral host may not scale well here. Customized network features for enterprise usage may be harder to implement on neutral host-based shared setups. Neutral host also faces a lot of challenges like complex business models, regulatory hurdles, ensuring fair access for all connected operators, and interoperability between vendor systems. With Open RAN and cloud-native networks, neutral host models will evolve, making shared 5G faster, cheaper, and smarter than ever before. Like, share and subscribe to Techtonic for more tech explained in 60 seconds.